What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your old Swizzle, or Hey Swizzle, whatever you want to call me, you know. And I am doing a Christmas video. It's Christmas time. The tree this year is not purple, it's pink. So today I'm going to be trying a makeup Christmas look. I'm going to try to nail it. I mean, I do good looks every single day. So this one is a little spicy, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to nail it, but we're gonna try. The eyebrows, yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that either, and it just looks a little complicated. Start by removing my makeup with this. Okay, so we removed the eyes and the lips. For the eyes, I'm gonna be using the Ico London Skinny Liquid Eyeliner in black. Use my Volcano Goddess Becca palette, which is super pretty, and I'm gonna use this one right here, which is Midnight Sapphire. And for the yellow, I don't really have yellow, so we're gonna have to do a gold. I'm gonna use Glided from the palette as well. For my red, I'm going into my Morphe Second Nature 3502. That's not my phone number, but that's the palette. I don't know the name of the color, but it's like this, like super like either metallic-y, or I'm gonna use the reddish orange, but it's these two. For the green that she did like the little thing here on her like cheek, I'm using the red from the Morphe palette, and then I'm gonna use the Steve Laurent eyeshadow in the shade Green Apple. Beauty Guru. So for the lips and the eyebrows, I'm gonna use my handy dandy Sephora lip cream stain in the shade 01. For the white, I'm going to be using my Thrive Cosmetics eye brightener in the color Stella. I'm going to go in with this, and then I'm just going to use my Too Faced I Believe in Pink palette in the color Snow Girl, which is a white, and see, it's white. I'm going to go in with that to kind of like brighten up this cream to see if it will like, you know, work. Just a little strandy thing, so we're gonna make a strand like she made a strand. I mean, maybe. So the eyes are oddly cool. I'm just gonna go in and fill in each of the little circly bulbs I'm gonna make in a minute. Okay, so we have the oddest outline ever. What is that? Like, take a look at that. It's great. So I'm gonna fill my little berries in. Copper green. And then we're just gonna add like a little leafy texture to it, you know? Hi, that looks so bomb. I have red eyebrows. Actually, that's not that bad. I have red eyebrows. No regrets. We're definitely getting into the Christmas spirit. So my lips are red. Still, we're getting a little Christmassy statement here. We just have to, oh, I know what they did that we didn't do yet. So in the middle of her eye, she has a little shimmeroo glitter pop peel off eyeliner from Too Faced in the shade Super Fun Night. And that is horrible. Okay, so we have our lips, kind of cool. And we're finishing up with the green for the eyebrows, but that's
really good. Your lips are good.
Yeah, I know.
It's just, your eyes look cute.
And remember to get your jingle on.